Under the Data Entry heading, find and click Manage Staff. On the resulting screen, you will notice a list of all active staff members in your district, as well as options that allow you to search for individual teachers by last name, or PIC number. To add a new teacher, fill out the information in the fields at the side of the screen. Fields with an asterisk are required, and when you have finished adding information into these fields, click on the Update Staff button. Your teacher will now appear on your faculty list. To edit staff information, simply find your teacher in the list, click the graphical icon next to the record you want to change, make your edits, and click the Update Staff button. Click on Manage Students to learn how to add, edit, and view student information.